Hi, listeners. Welcome back. We are resuming the uh, introduction of Google search and SERP. So, let us discuss on the fact of search. So, fastest growing Google search queries. In March 2020, COVID 19 was the fast growing coronavirus related search query on Google worldwide. The search term grew 3650 percentage in volume compared to the previous month. Coronavirus tips was ranked second with a 2650 percentage month over month search volume increase. See other fact and figures. You can see 2 in 3 searches are coming from outside the top 6 metros, that is from outskirts of metros or outskirts of the city or from a rural village. 10 times growth in local language searches. 174% growth in payment bank searches. And while those for mobile wallets grew by 70%. By 2020, the internet will influence $45 billion of fast moving consumer goods sales in India. That is 40% of overall fast moving industry. 20% of a leading auto uh, mobile industry sales are being driven by digital. 3 times increase in queries for smart home assistant devices like Alexa and all. 3 times increase in consumer interest around machine learning and artificial intelligence courses. So this much of searches are happening. So search engine and search engine optimization is the order of the day. Non-metros account for 55% of all car related searches we discussed. 61% of all insurance searches. you know the other factor is the growth of search in Bharat. So consumers living outside metro are using the internet as a bridge to their aspirants. So they contribute to more searches related to life, insurance, vehicle, beauty, travel and finance, among others, compared to metro dwellers. So, the use of a video as a search tool has increased. Indian consumers love video and not just for entertainment. They use it to search for, learn about a review, research product, making, purchase decisions, etc. So it is estimated that there will be 50 million online video users by 2020. That it is not surprising. It is not surprise then the video watch time are exploding across categories and verticals. In auto category, for instance, we found 80% of auto buyers watch YouTube videos to find answers and review before making their purchase. So another thing is very amazing thing is that other users are turning to video to educate themselves, with the watch time for science and hobby videos growing 3 times year on year. So guys, see, this is most fantastic uh, study. The popularity of Indian languages and voice searches with the help of gadgets. See, voice searches are increasing because we have our personal assistants like Alexa, Google Assistants, Google Echo, then other smart TV equipments like Amazon Fire, even Asianet has those things. Other, desktop boxes having, these kind of search features. and it can make a ordinary TV into a smart TV, so they can access with the search engine. So you know that the Indian language internet users are expected to account for nearly 75% of India's internet user base by 2021. In fact, research by KPMG and Google shows that by 2021, 9 out of every 10 new internet users in the country will likely be an Indian language speakers, and our trends shows a significant move in the direction as well. So you can see this 75% year on year growth in near me queries. So that's you also do that, which is the best hotel near me, something like that, right? A growing number of consumers are researching online and purchasing offline. So researching online and purchasing online, there is a word called web roaming. Researching on an offline and coming and purchase online, it is called as showrooming. So this corresponds with findings that 50% of organized retail will likely be influenced by digital in 2020. 28% of those who clicked on an ad visited the stores, and 19% increase in store sales driven by a digital campaign. So guys, as the distance between online and offline experience diminishing, the impact of a digital on in-store behavior is also being a lot more noticeable, encouraging brands to embrace an omni-channel strategy because of a search engine modification, search volumes, etc. So let us discuss on use of AI and ML in business. So we have seen 7 times increase in the number of active users of a Google Assistant in India in 2018. So in the same year, many more businesses embrace artificial intelligence and machine learning to drive efficiency and improve customer experience. So you can see 2 times greater sales and CTR by using data driven solutions. CTR means click through rate. Okay, by using data driven solution, using weather based marketing for a leading CPG players. So for instance, Royal Enfield integration with the action on Google for a product launch, so drew high engagement. So meanwhile, making it credit score facility available on Google Assistant allow Paisa Bazaar to create a seamless experience for its customer. So you know that automation is also helping business get better return on investment from digital. So everyone have an example, Bank Bazaar double its conversion by using smart display ads which are powered by machine learning and AI. So all the search engines are again working with some algorithm, machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. So knowing more, getting more insight about a search engine is the essential part of gathering knowledge, or is an essential part of moving further into digital marketing. Thank you.